Activision Blizzard, ticker symbol ATVI. Are you a buy? Are you a sell? Is the price cheap? We're gonna find out according to Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham formula as mentioned in the Intelligent Investor website. And we are starting. If you guys don't know me, my name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40, and I try to bring you guys value. If you're gonna get any sort of value from this video today, don't forget to click the subscribe. I will start doing more and more videos about fair value of a stock. Do not listen to people on TikTok, YouTube, Reddit and all that stuff. Go by the way that Warren Buffett went. Benjamin Graham was Warren Buffett guru. Let's get started right away. I took the liberty to do an Excel and put all the stuff that you should look before we put in the variables. What does that mean? Let's get started. This is the Excel. I took the liberty to put the constant stuff inside this Excel and all the other stuff that we need in order to get the formula. We're gonna fill in together. We're gonna find the fair price of Activision Blizzard as it should trade today, and we are also going to find the price that Warren Buffett, Benjamin Graham mentor, will tell us to actually start and buy. And if Activision Blizzard is at that price, then I will most likely go long on some call options to the future on my Patreon page that you can join. Read the description below. Let's get started. So the stock, so the first thing we're gonna find out is the earning per share, EPS, for the last 12 months. We are right now in Yahoo Finance. I just click ATVI, Activision Blizzard. Less price traded yesterday, 75.73, down 2.6%. And we have on our front page the number that we are looking for, which is here. EPS TTM, meaning earning per share, trailing 12 months. So for the last 12 months, earning per share was 2.34. 2.34. We're gonna take that number and we're gonna put it inside our Excel. Here's the Excel. We're gonna put 2.34. Yeah. The next number is already a constant given, PE. According to Benjamin Graham, PE 8.5. Why 8.5? Just so you guys know, that means that the stock or a company will not grow. It means zero growth for the next 5 to 10 years, 7 to 10 years. So you just put a constant of 8.5, no growth, no nothing. That's basically what he was referring to in the book, but go read the book. Let's move on. The next thing we are looking for is growth. How are we finding growth? Also, we are going back to Yahoo Finance. And in Yahoo Finance, we're gonna scroll to the tab that says Analyst. We have a chart, conversation, historical, blah, blah, blah. Analysis. We're gonna click here, Analysis. And we're looking for the one almost at the bottom. We're gonna scroll all the way down. Yep. We got ourselves here at the growth estimate. This is the most important part. They want to see that Activision Blizzard actually gonna grow in the next 5 years. Now this is a rough estimate of the analysis of all the analysts that are covering Activision Blizzard. This is not science, you know. This is an art. Also, Benjamin Graham said it's an art form to find a stock fair value. But I'm going with what he gave us, and it's a lot better than just guessing and listening to Wall Street bets on Reddit. So we're taking this one before the last one. Next 5 years growth. Next 5 year growth per annual, we got a number of 2435. So they're expecting Activision Blizzard to grow about 24% in the next 5 years. We're gonna take that number, 24.35. I'm gonna put it in the Excel, and I'm in the Excel now. I'm gonna put 24.35. That's it. Very nice. And we have 2 times growth. That's another constant that Benjamin Graham has in his formula. 2 times the growth. Why? I don't know. Everyone in the forums in the last years said that this is quite an aggressive formula. The book was written, if I remember correctly, at 1962. Maybe that was a growth time, but I'm not changing. If you read the forums, it says to put like the number 1 and the 8.5 to change to 7. I don't care about it. I stick to the original formula, and I assume Warren Buffett does the same. And who am I compared to him in the stock realm? He knows how to pick stocks at the right price, so I'm going with this. So basically 2 times the growth. It's already gonna calculate the 2 times the growth, 24% times 2. It's gonna calculate, and it's gonna give us the complete price of the fair value. Next, we got another constant, which is the corporate bond. Corporate bond, it says to divide everything that we find in the formula, divided by 4.4%, or just 4.4 in this example without the percent, and that's how we get to our number that we will get in a few minutes. This is a constant, nothing to change in here. The next thing we need to find out is the 888 bond for Activision Blizzard. Basically, that's how we are. So we need to find out how much is the bond for Activision Blizzard, meaning if you are a bond buyer and you don't want to risk losing your money by just buying Activision stock, you can buy the Activision bond, and it should pay anywhere between 2 to 6%, something like that, from all the stocks that I have seen lately. So basically we're gonna search the Activision Blizzard bond. That's so on Google. I just typed ATVI corporate bond, and I got a few options. This is what I got. First one, it says, let me see here, there's no rate, and that's fine. The second one, 5.62, that's pretty high, and I'm gonna go with this. The higher I get, the more conservative price we're gonna get, and this is what I want. I want the price to be super conservative at the end of the day, so I know I get even more margin of error than what I should get. So that's good. Let's see what else we got. If there's anything other than 5.62, then I'm gonna go with that. I saw something here. Nothing here, nothing here. Let me just go quickly. No, I don't see anything other than that, so I'm gonna go with 5.62. So I'm back in the Excel, and I'm gonna put the price of the bond, of corporate bond of Activision, and this is actually gonna give us the fair value. And before I'm gonna do that, I forgot to put the price of today. That's also important. 75.73. I'm gonna go quickly back here, put 75.73. That's the price of the share today, and let's see if it's cheap, fair value, or undervalue. Let's get going. Once I put this data in, 5.625, that's the corporate bond. I'm gonna click enter. Okay, and we got ourselves a stock fair value of Activision Blizzard, everyone. 104.7. That's not bad. Let's round it up to, let's say, $105. We are now at $75. Fair value of Activision Blizzard, $105. Hold on, we're not done just yet. This is the fair value. Is this the price that we're gonna buy? Not really, because according to Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham guru, the other way around. According to Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett guru, we would like to get 33% on the fair value. So let's see if the price, and I think roughly it's about as we are now, 75, should be around 30% discount. We are looking for 33% discount. So we're gonna go here, price we are buying. We're gonna get our calculator out, yeah, and we're gonna do 104.7 times 0.67. We're gonna multiply it by 67% in order to get 33% discount, and our price that we are buying is $70.15. Look at this, $70.15. We are now at the price of 75. So let's see how much we need to go down from this. We're gonna do 70 bucks, that 14 cents divided by 75.73. I'm gonna do 100 minus 0.926 minus 92.6, and we need for the stock to go down another, let's say 7.5%, 7.4% from now, in order for us to actually buy the stock. And you know what? Once Activision Blizzard go to 70 bucks, I'm going long. I'm gonna probably buy in my Patreon for my members deep in the money calls, maybe 60 or 50 or something like that, and enjoy the premium. What are you gonna do with that information? Well, let's see. So this is the move that I'm going to play. This is ATVI on Thinkorswim, and the price of today around 75 bucks. We established fair value is 105, and we also established that we are a buyer at 70 bucks. I'm not just gonna wait for the price to go to 70 bucks, hope it will go down. That's not how I play. I would like to generate some passive income from that. So I opened the chain for November, expire in 20 days from now, 3 weeks from now, and I'm going to be a seller. I'm going to sell this one. I'm gonna sell put 72. I'm gonna sell put 72, and the price is between the bid and the ask, 156 and 172. So I'll give or take 165, $165 I'm going to collect for every one contract of put option that I'm going to sell. And if I aim collecting 1.65, I'm gonna do 72 minus 165 that I just collected, and this is actually get us to our fair value price of $70.35. What happens at expiration in November if the stock of our Activision Blizzard doesn't go below 72? Well, I keep the 165 bucks. Pretty awesome stuff. And if it does go below, then I'll be happy to buy at the price of our break even that I just got, which I'll be very happy to collect about 165 bucks. And if the price doesn't go below $72, then I'm okay with that. And if it does go below 72 bucks, I will be happy to actually purchase 100 shares of Activision Blizzard when my break-even price will be $70.35. So don't just wait for the price to go down. Write some put options, enjoy from the passive income, and if it doesn't go your way, you can write it again for the next month. You know right now that the price should be 70 bucks. And if it goes to 70 bucks, you should be a buyer because the fair value is 105. And if I bring you guys any sort of value, don't forget to subscribe and watch the other video that you're gonna see in this on your screen in about a second, valuation about Microsoft. I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you next time. Thank you.